Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well you have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and freeze your location on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is first you're gonna access your particular Snapchat app, right? Once you have done so, this kind of interface is gonna appear here in this snap section where you're gonna go ahead, create yourself a snap and send it to everybody. And if you simply want to turn off your location, for that simply go ahead, go to this profile icon on top left corner of the screen and tap on it, scroll down and tap on this location, right? Snap map. Go ahead, tap on it, and here in this section you're gonna find this kind of interface, right, where you will find your location and you will find this option called settings icon on top as well. Go ahead, tap on it. Now you will find this option called ghost mode, right? When this is enabled, your friends can see your location. If it's turned on by default like this, you simply have to turn it on by tapping on this, and you can, until I untap on this, until turned off. That means it won't get turned on automatically until you turn it on. So you're in ghost mode now, but be able to see your location. Another is, when enabled, your friends can see your live location as well. If it's turned on by default, you simply have to again tap it on and tap on this until turned off, so nobody will be able to see your live location as well. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.